Are your ADO.NET SQLite Data Provider application failing because of the System Data SQLite module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we get into the manual guide for System Data SQLite module, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the System Data SQLite module, a non-standard naming convention for the SQLite.NET provider found in localized wrappers or modded launchers. It manages the redirected data link for local databases. If missing, the parent software will report database library load failure during the initial login phase. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as System Data SQLite module DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with System Data SQLite module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like System Data SQLite module DLL. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for System Data SQLite module. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including System Data SQLite module dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.